Hello friends! Today I'm diving into the most important things every car owner should definitely know. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with tires, an often overlooked aspect of car care. Many people don't realize just how critical tires are to the overall performance and safety of their vehicle. Proper tire pressure is crucial for performance, fuel economy, and handling. When your tires are inflated to the correct pressure, your car runs more efficiently, and you get better mileage. Underinflated tires wear out faster and can affect your car's handling. This can lead to uneven tire wear, which means you'll have to replace your tires more frequently. Seasonal tires are essential if you live in an area with distinct seasons. They are designed to handle the specific conditions of each season, providing better traction and safety. Winter tires are designed for cold and snowy conditions, with deeper treads and softer rubber that stays flexible in low temperatures. This ensures better grip and control on icy roads. While summer tires provide better grip on dry roads, they are made from a harder rubber compound that offers excellent performance in warm weather, giving you better handling and braking. Using the wrong tires for the season is like wearing flip-flops in a blizzard. Not a good look. Not only is it unsafe, but it also compromises your vehicle's performance. So, make sure to switch to the appropriate tires as the seasons change. Now let's move on to fluids, which are essential for the health and longevity of your vehicle. A critical aspect of car care is ensuring that all fluids are at their optimal levels and in good condition. Engine oil, for instance, keeps everything lubricated and running smoothly. Without it, the engine parts would grind against each other, causing damage and reducing efficiency. Regularly check your oil level using the dipstick and get oil changes on schedule as recommended by your car's manufacturer. This simple step can prevent major engine problems down the road. Coolant, also known as antifreeze, prevents your engine from overheating, especially in the hot summer months. It also protects the engine from freezing in winter. Ensure your coolant level is topped off and you're using the right type for your vehicle. Check the coolant reservoir regularly and look for any signs of leaks. Brake fluid is another vital fluid that helps you stop your car safely. It transfers the force from your brake pedal to the brake pads, allowing your car to slow down or stop. If your brake pedal feels spongy or makes strange noises, it could indicate a problem with the brake fluid or the braking system itself. Get it checked out ASAP to ensure your safety on the road. Let's talk about brakes, arguably the most important safety feature. Pay attention to how your brakes feel and sound. If you notice any issues, get your braking system checked by a professional. A well-maintained brake system can be the difference between a close call and a serious accident. Chapter 4. Battery Basics. The heartbeat of your car. Don't take your car battery for granted. Give it some TLC. Keep battery terminals clean and free of corrosion. Extreme temperatures can affect your battery's performance. Regularly test your battery, especially in harsh weather conditions. Avoid the dreaded click of a dead battery on a cold morning. Chapter 5. Regular Servicing. The Fountain of Automotive Youth. Regular servicing is like taking your car to the doctor for a checkup. Mechanics inspect vital systems and replace worn-out parts. Regular servicing may seem expensive, but it prevents costly major repairs. Think of it as an investment in your car's long-term health. Let's talk about fuel, the essential lifeblood of your car's engine. Just like how our bodies need clean, nutritious food to function at their best, cars need high-quality fuel to run smoothly and efficiently. The quality of fuel you choose directly impacts your car's performance and longevity. Think of it as the difference between a balanced diet and junk food. High-quality fuel ensures that your engine runs smoothly, providing optimal combustion and reducing wear and tear. It often contains additives that clean and protect your engine, enhancing its efficiency. On the other hand, low-quality fuel can lead to a host of problems. It can clog your engine with deposits, reduce fuel economy, and even cause more frequent breakdowns. Using high-quality fuel provides optimal combustion, which means your car accelerates more smoothly and performs better overall. Clean engine parts mean fewer trips to the mechanic and more time enjoying the open road. To ensure you're getting the best fuel, look for reputable gas stations and top-tier certification. These stations adhere to higher standards and provide fuel that meets stringent quality requirements. Fuel your car with quality juice for better performance, reduced emissions, and a longer-lasting engine. Make the smart choice for your vehicle and enjoy the benefits of high-quality fuel every time you hit the road. Your car's air conditioning and ventilation system is crucial for your health. Over time, it can harbor dust, pollen, mold, and allergens. Regular maintenance keeps the air inside your car fresh and healthy. Change the cabin air filter regularly to ensure clean air. Let's talk about being prepared for emergencies. Have a comprehensive first aid kit in your car. Include bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Keep a fire extinguisher on hand for small fires. Carry a set of jumper cables for dead batteries. Being prepared can save you from major inconveniences. Today we covered essential car owner tips. Remember, car care ensures your safety and the safety of others on the road. Until next time, drive safe, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next video.